Insignificant events in the life of a cactus. Aven Green loves to tell people that she lost her arms in an alligator wrestling match or a wildfire in Tanzania. But the truth is, she was born without them. And when her parents take a job running Stagecoach Pass, a run-down Western theme park in Arizona, Aven moves with them across the country knowing that she'll have to answer the question over and over again. Her new life takes an unexpected turn when she bonds with Connor, a classmate who also feels isolated because of his own disability, and they discover a room at Stagecoach Pass that holds bigger secrets than Aven ever could have imagined. It's hard to solve a mystery, help a friend, and face your worst fears, but Aven's about to discover she can do it all, even without arms. Find it at your library on Sora.